Training concluded. Adequate performance.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boon's Plamo channel, and this is Avery, my AI assistant.
Artificial intelligence interface initialized.
I feel excited to share a review for EVA Unit 02 LMHG Series 02 today. Maybe it is bad, perhaps it is good. Let's check it out.
The third Evangelion to be completed, Unit 02, made its debut in Episode 8 of Neon Genesis Evangelion. As the first production model, it was designed to rectify the mistakes made in the construction of the prototype units. Primarily piloted by Asuka Langley Soryu, Kaworu Nijiza also briefly takes control of Unit 02.
Thanks for the history lesson, Avery. I'm sure everyone was hanging on your every word.
Delivering factual information.
EVA Unit 2 LMHG Model Kit is part of the limited model high-grade line of models. It was released in 1996.
A vintage model from 1996.
What about the price, Avery?
The price was 2,500 yen.
The user manual was informative and easy to follow. It provided details on the model's story, assembly steps, and color guide.
Ten pieces of runners, 1 piece of sticker, 1 piece of water decor.
The build was relaxing and enjoyable. I spent approximately 1.5 hours on the basic assembly.
Straightforward construction process.
This model looked impressive even without any additional paintwork.
Satisfactory visual appearance without modification.
Let's talk about accessories and manipulators.
Interchangeable fixed pose hands. Natural posture hand 1 pair. Fist posture hand 1 pair. Grabbing posture right hand 1 piece. Gun grabbing posture right hand 1 piece. Weapons and others. External power supply cable 1 unit. Pallet rifle 1 unit. EVA progressive knife 2 unit. Sniper rifle 1 unit. Spear of Longinus 1 unit. Shield 1 unit. Handgun 1 unit. Smash Hawk 1 unit. Umbilical cable 1 unit. Entry plug 1 unit. Asuka figure 1 unit. Misato figure 1 unit.
Thanks, Avery. How about other details?
Approximate height 23 centimeters. Weight measurement 62 grams. Evaluating mobility potential.
The joint design of the neck allowed the head to move down further. The waist multiple joint allowed it to bend more as described on the box. Shoulder movement was limited, but it is still quite capable of a lot of posture. The elbow uses internal joints. The tight split stretch was rather limited, less than 90 degrees. The knee uses multiple joints to allow more flexibility. The foot is composed of multiple parts to allow more movement.
Assessing structural integrity and balance.
The model was firm and sturdy. One leg challenge passed.
Solid foundation. No balance issues observed.
Well, that's all for the review for today. On the scale of 0 to 10, how do you rate this kit? Please leave the comment below. Please click like, subscribe and share this video. It means a lot to us.
Help us grow by sharing and subscribing.
Thanks for watching.